All right, we got ourselves an inequality to solve, so let's start solving it. Remember, you solve an inequality like regular equations, except there's rules when you deal with dividing, multiplying by negatives, stuff like that. But let's see if that even happens. 15's on the bottom. Whenever you have an entire side being divided by a number, let's get rid of that number by multiplying both sides by 15. Don't know why I have the thicker version of the marker, but it's too late. I'm not going back. All right, now, when you divide both sides by 15, the 15's on the bottom, cross out. Okay, drop down the negative 9 plus a, the fraction bar isn't necessary anymore. Drop down the greater than, and 1 times 15 is 15. Now, a is not alone by itself. In order to get a all by itself, we're going to add 9 to both sides. Drop down the a, drop down the is greater than, and 15 plus 9 is 24. So that's me solving this. No flipping of signs, nothing crazy, just had to get rid of that 15. That was the only problematic part. Doesn't matter where you put 24, as long as 24 is on the line, then you put in the other numbers to fill in everything because it's nice looking and it's pretty. Even though I wish I didn't make number lines that have so many spaces, although the more time I use on these videos, the more money I make. Now, a is greater than 24. So I put a circle at 24, and I don't fill it in because a is not allowed to equal 24. It's only allowed to be everything bigger than 24, like 24 and a half and 27 and a billion. So I shade everything to the right because a is allowed to be everything bigger than 24. What that means is anything covered in this red shaded region, 25, 30, a billion, if I were to plug it into A and do all the math over here on the left, it would be bigger than 1. Okay, so that's how you solve and graph an inequality. Dunzo.